Meow. Meow, meow. So we'll start by mapping out the kitty's body. Just getting the general shapes in. Make it a bit longer there. And that slant of the ears is important. The ears can add so much expression. Just change the slant and you change the expression of the cat. I've sped this up to twice the speed so you can get quicker learning. I'm just refining the shape here to make it look convincing. That muzzle. Ah, the shape's coming around there. And that's that extra paw there, not the extra paw, but the paw that's resting under the cat. And there's that lovely paw with the splayed out toes. That was what attracted me to that photo to draw. Oh, and don't forget to join our Facebook group. We'd love to have you if you're truly passionate about drawing cats. You'll find the link in the video description below, along with some other handy links to cat drawing resources. It's a hint of hips and elbows. See, I change my lines and I don't leave the lines that I already did. They remind me of that I want to move over a little bit, that I want to move the line over, and they do contribute to background tone. All the extra lines that I end up in there, they disappear into the background and end up being tone. Now I'm kind of carefully mapping out where the eyes should be. Just a gentle hint of eyes there. And that sweet little nose. Oh yes, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We would love to have you help build the community, and hit that little bell so you get notifications when there's a new video. I love that classic tabby M on the forehead. That tail is kind of tucked in under that one leg. And this is only part one of this drawing, so stick around. I'm getting part two out there pretty quick too. Toe beans. So in part two, I'll start really refining this drawing, this little sketch. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, join our Facebook group, and we will see you next time.